So, good day, sir. In this video, I am to explain the number 21, and the problem is retrieve the stores that have the highest average order value per customer in the past 6 months, including the total revenue generated. So, the first thing we need to do is select the shortcut of restaurant, which is R, and the primary key, restaurant ID, restaurant, and restaurant name, and average of the total or total price as average order value. So we need to sum the total price as total revenue. From transaction T, we need to interjoin orders O on order ID to transaction ID. Secondly, then interjoin restaurant menu details on restaurant menu details ID to order ID. And the last interjoin is restaurant R on restaurant ID to restaurant menu details ID. And we need to use where and the transaction date. So I use less than because in the question is in the past 6 months, and let's say date sub or now, and or in the present interval, and minus 6 month. Group by restaurant ID and restaurant name, and order by order average value, and desk na naka-descending siya, and limit by 1. So we delete this first, and when we click go, here's the result.